Hello friends, today I want to share with you something great on how you can customize your PC in such a way that anytime you sign into your PC, the PC is going to welcome you by the name that you have instructed it using its computerized voice. So the first thing that you need to do is to launch the Notepad. So Notepad, and once the Notepad is up and running, you type these commands. So dim, speaks, comma, speech. Then at the next line you type speaks equals opening double quotes, then you type what you want the computer to say during booting. So you type welcome to your PC, then you type your name. So in my case it is Fanuel. Then you close the double quotes, then you move to the next line. At the next line you type set speech equals create object, then opening bracket and you open the double quotes, and then you type sapi dot sp voice, then you close the double quotes and you close the bracket. Then you move to the next line, which is our last line. You type speech dot speak, then speaks, right? And then you save your file. You come to here, file, then save as, and then you click on this save as type. You click on all files, then you type the file name, which is welcome dot, so the extension is VBS, and you check where your file is going to be stored. So in my case it is going to be stored at documents. So you come here and you click on save, and then you quit the Notepad. Now you come here, you check for the file. So my file is stored at documents, so come down here, then you cut your file. So cut, then you come here at this PC, then at the local disk C. So you look for the disks where you have installed the operating system. So you open local disk C, then you come down here at the users, then you come here at this folder named by your username, then you come down here, you look for the folder named updater. So updater, so this is the folder which I'm talking about. And in case in your PC this folder is not available, don't worry, just come here at view tab, then you check this hidden items. So if I uncheck it, the updater will not be available, or the updater folder will not be visible or displayed, right? So you see we don't have the updater. So you come here at the hidden 4 items, then you check it. So when I check, the updater is displayed or it is visible. So here it is. So you open it, then you come at the roaming, then you come down here at the Microsoft, then you look for the Windows at the down here, then you look for this start menu, then programs, then you come here at the startup, then you save here your file that you have cut. So you just control V, So now you have done. So if you want to test, or you want to check if you have done it uh, correctly, then you double click on this file and you will hear what the computer is going to say. And that is whatever you had, that is what the computer is going to say when you are signing into your PC. So let me double click it.
Welcome to your PC Venuel.
So now I've done it successfully. So if now I restart my PC and sign into my account, then the PC is going to welcome me by that name, right? So thank you for watching this tutorial, and kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.